Alright, this is how Monidex works. On Monidex, we have one-time registration of 3,000 naira, and after that, you'll be given a 2,000 naira as a welcome bonus. So, you log in daily on Monidex, you earn 200 naira, and you share a pure post on your social media like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, you earn 300 naira. This is to say that you'll be earning 500 naira on Monidex by just performing simple tasks on daily basis. For affiliate earners, if you invite your friends using your link, you're gonna be earning 2,000 naira. And for indirect affiliates, that is when your friends invite others, you'll be earning 200 naira. So, for non-affiliate withdrawal, so people that have no refer, they withdraw 15,000 Monidex every 30th of every month. For affiliate earners, that is people that have refer, to withdraw, the minimum withdrawal is 2,000 naira, and it's on Monday and Thursdays every week by 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. And on Monidex, they have what is called quiz feature. You can use your Monidex to subscribe for a chance to answer questions and earn affiliate bonuses for getting the right answer within the time range. So this is how Monidex works. So hurry and sign up now. Monidex is paying massively. When I say it's paying massively, I mean it's paying massively right now.
Just right here, you can see create an account. Just put your full name, username, email address, password, phone number, and this application right here is for coupon code. So for coupon code, just DM me on WhatsApp for coupon code. So right here, as you can see, just contact any of the vendor, but just DM me on WhatsApp for coupon code. So after that, you just click on I agree. So that I just click on create an account. Once you click on create an account, it's actually bringing you right here. Registration is successful. You can now log in. After that, just come right here and put your username and password. Once you put your username and password, you just click on this. Just click on this login. Once you click on this login, it actually bring you to your main dashboard like this. As you can see on my screen right here. So you can see my earnings right here. So right here, you can see that this site is paying massively. Right here, if I just go to my earning history right here, you can see daily login. You can see post 300 naira, daily login 200 naira. So every day you be earning 500 naira from this platform. And the registration right here is one-time registration, just 300 naira for you to register. So and it's very, very simple. So how you can share sponsor post, you can see, just come down right here, you can see sponsor post right here. Just click on this view sponsor post. Once you click on this view sponsor post, it actually bring you right here. So it's loading right there. So it's actually, you can see right here, you have already earned from this post. So but your own, you can see earn from post. Just click on that earn from post, and the balance will be added to your account. So that's how this site works. So if I actually give you a value in this video, all I want you to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification. So that when I drop a video like this, it will actually give you an indication that I've actually dropped a video. Basically in this channel, what I do is that I don't have to make money online. What I do is I try to online. If I find out something working for me, what I'm doing, I show you guys so they can do the same thing and get SSM results. So subscribe and turn on the